Hi, my name is Colin Pezzano. I'm the resident artist for NextFab and Center for Wood, the winter residency. This is my studio space. My work is based on craft processes, mostly carving and shaping through materials. I'm usually working in wood, but have expanded out my process. For the residency, I'm carving into a reclaimed door. I'm using the panels kind of like graphic novel panels to have the passage of time, which is a little more obscured. The imagery is all stream of consciousness, going back through my sketchbook, listening to music, listening to podcasts, watching the news, just general personal experiences, and putting those into a timeline and kind of like muddling them all together. And then I have a process of doing like gravestone rubbings on the door as an archival process to collage the spaces further. The reasons I really like NextFab are because of the community here. I have a lot of friends who started working here when we were younger. I have made friends as like members here. I've made friends with coworkers here. It's a really great space. I've had the opportunity to take the time to focus on my practice during this residency, which was very helpful. You can find me at colinpezzano.com or Instagram at colinpezzano.